Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Godefroy Tint Kit for spot coloring, dark brown. It's a deep dark brown that tints the hair and the skin underneath to get a beautiful brow. The skin tint lasted maybe 5 or so days, and the brow hair stayed darker even longer. For some reason the tint dries really quickly and turns to an ashy gray color within minutes of applying. Application was straightforward and quick, but it gave me a weird lightheaded feeling with a slight migraine which was worrying. If you ever have an area where you weren't satisfied with the tint, all you need is Vaseline or hair dye remover, which you can buy at Sally's. You can dispense only what's needed. If you snip the capsule or gently separate the capsule, try to get the dye only on the actual brow hairs and not your skin. The new dark brown is an ash tone that doesn't give coverage at all. Completely too dark even after putting it on for a minute and wiping it off. Doesn't apply well to lashes, and it is very difficult not to get into the eyes. It took me 1 hour to do it. Once you draw the shape, it is easy to apply it. It has saved me so much money, and it comes with a ton of product. Thought this was great at first, but it lasted through 2 face washings, and now is gone. Tint takes a few applications, and could take about 1 hour altogether to get a nice tint. It does stain the skin, but it didn't last longer than 2 days, and was easy to conceal with makeup. After the first minute, the second and third applications are only left on for 30 seconds each time. Make sure you have a wet paper towel and clean tips nearby to help clean up any mess quickly. The product was a bit tricky to apply, and sort of dingled, burned a little. Not too bad. Works well for sparse eyebrows, and helps stain skin where there are no hairs. The longer you keep this on, the darker this gets, brown black. Carefully open the capsule, place the powder in the included gray cap, or on one end of a plastic soup spoon, easier to clean, and mix with the creme. A little dark at first, but the color mellows after a day or so, and stays quite a while. It's like mascara, and won't last that long, but it doesn't look that bad, and never got allergic reaction from it. You only need to leave it on for about a minute, and it's good to go. Economical, great gray coverage on eyebrow hairs, no skin irritation, and doesn't leave tint behind on skin. It is easy to apply, and does not dye the skin under the eyebrow hairs as the old product did. There is a lot of product in the package, and should last you a long time. 1 capsule has lasted me for 4 attempts, and is probably going to last me 4 more tries. Left the product on for 2 minutes, and wiped it off to find out that even 2 minutes was too long. But the great thing about the product is you can choose how long or short you want to leave it on. The only con is that 1 capsule has so much product in it, so it's almost a waste. But with 20 per box, and it lasting anywhere from 23 months before needing to reapply, it's worth it. If you don't do this, you'll get dye outside of your eyebrow area, and it looks bad. As others have said, you can open the capsules and pour out a little powder to mix with the developer. I left the product on for about 10 minutes. It stayed gray on the brows, but when wiped, looked amazing. Lasted about a week and a half. The application is super easy, and it has a list of how long you need to keep it on for whichever shade you want. It's basically henna. It fades and washes away every time you shower or wash your face. Sure beats paying someone to do the exact same thing with exact same product at the mall. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.